In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to N8n, ensuring you can automate your email workflows with ease. Automating your email tasks can significantly enhance productivity, and N8n offers a seamless way to integrate with Outlook for this purpose. So, let's dive in. First things first, head over to your web browser and visit the N8n website. You might have a bookmark saved or just type it directly into your URL bar. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the Sign In button. This is typically located on the top right corner of your screen. Signing in is crucial because it gives you access to your dashboard, where all the action happens. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your N8n dashboard. This is essentially your control center. Here you can manage everything from existing workflows to creating new ones. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with the layout of your dashboard, as this will help you navigate the various features more efficiently. Next, you'll want to initiate the creation of a new workflow. Look for the button that says Create Workflow. This might be a prominent button on the main dashboard page. Clicking this will open a new project for you to start building your automations. Once you're in the workflow editor, the first step is adding nodes. Think of nodes as the building blocks of your workflow. They represent individual tasks or processes that help you automate and connect different applications. To add nodes, simply click on the Add Nodes button, which should be clearly highlighted on your screen. Now, it's time to search for Outlook within the node options. N8n has an extensive library of nodes, but for this workflow, you're going to connect specifically to Microsoft Outlook. Type Outlook into the search bar, and you'll see it appear in the results. When you find Microsoft Outlook, click on it. By doing so, you're effectively telling N8n you want to create an automation that involves Outlook. This step integrates Outlook as part of your workflow setup. At this stage, remember that successful integration often requires ensuring your Outlook account permissions are set correctly. You might need to log into your Microsoft account to authorize N8n to access it. Always double-check to ensure all permissions are granted to enable a smooth connection. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a connection from Outlook to N8n. This setup will now enable you to explore a plethora of automation possibilities, taking your email management to new heights. Keep exploring and experimenting with different nodes and combinations to truly unlock the full potential of N8n's automation capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!